Right now we're in our crinkle paper room, so every kit that's in a custom box can come also with crinkle paper of any color. So if you look around, we have all different kinds of crinkle paper, and if you use a custom box or if you make a kit just with tape, you can add that as an item into your kit, and then we will put whatever color goes with your brand into the kit with the items. Here we have some chocolate crinkle paper if you're doing an employee appreciation gift that you want to have actual chocolates inside of. This is a great option to use. Over here, if one of your colors is royal blue, you can add this to your kit and it will match the brand colors that you use. We do have like a rainbow crinkle paper, which is quite fun. You know, if you're doing an offsite that you have maybe like a separate logo for or an event that you need something different for, we can customize it to fit that event in particular. It makes it more fun for someone to open. When you get something, it actually feels like a gift. It's not just another box with a bunch of stuff in it that you see from Amazon or from anything else you order. This makes it feel more special and more like a gift that you're giving someone.